Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing Finch and signing in right away. Do not delay. Open the app, grant microphone and notification permissions so voice features work, and create or sign into your account using email. Enter the 6-digit verification code and confirm. Once done, allow calendar and contact access so Finch can schedule and personalize suggestions. This initial setup takes a few minutes and unlocks core features, so make sure these permissions are accepted before moving forward. Now you configure workflows and assistants to automate real tasks. Select a template or build one. Add steps, set triggers like calendar events or keywords, and name it clearly so you recognize it later. Tweak assistant voice and response length in settings, and confirm privacy options for data retention. Connect third-party services, Calendar, Slack, Google Drive, or Zapier, to let Finch read events, post messages, or fetch files. Make sure connections succeed before testing, so the flow runs smoothly. Finally, test and deploy your Finch setup with a dry run using sample data. Observe logs to spot errors or slow steps. Once tests pass, deploy to live use and monitor performance over the next 24 to 72 hours, adjusting thresholds and retries if needed. If something breaks, first check app permissions, then reconnect integrations like calendars or Slack, and review activity logs for the failing step. This targeted troubleshooting usually resolves the common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.